Hello, Lovey. So last Sunday we visited DNK Optical in front of Adventist Academy Cebu to have our kids' eyes checked up. Afterwards, they were given eyeglasses care of Dr. Diane and Sir Carlos. So both of them now, Kitty and Zenon, have protection for their eyes whenever they use gadgets. And of course, aside from eyeglasses, they also offer contact lenses. And by the way, they have an ongoing sale for summer for kids wherein your eyeglasses will be sold for a very affordable rate. So if you're looking for eyeglasses for your children and you want to protect their eyes, please go to DNK Optical in Talisay, located just in front of Adventist Academy, Cebu. Hi guys, this is Dr. Diane Espiritu Bernante. She's the one who be handling you when you come here at DNK Optical. Siya ang mag-test sa eyes sa inyong kids during the summer sale, of course. So, the summer sale for kids will be up until May 31st this year. Do visit their Facebook page, DNK Optical, so that you will be updated of their promos sa ilahang optical clinic. And once again, it's located in front of the Adventist Academy, Cebu. Thank you kayo, Dog.
Thank you po. Nakit tanaw diri house ha. Tanaw ko sa house ato yung puso-puso kami ha. Sige, forward lang tagang.
Forward, Kitty boy. Put your chin there, Kitty. Put your chin.
Your chin diri. Ana.
Let go of the seat. Oy, where are you bringing the seat?
Yung forehead over here ha. Ana, like that. Okay, tell me if you can see your house ha. Tanaw ko si mong eyes diri. Okay. Ilang move lang. Okay, good job. Okay, big glass. Okay, good job. Dirita. Kabang nakamurid sa imong alphabet?
A, B, C, D,
Okay,
Kitty.
very good. Dirita, sit down ta ha. Ayaw lang, sandig lang.
Sit down lang, Kitty.
How old are you na? 5. Wow, big
5 years old.
Wow, unsa naman ka nga to? Kinder, grade 1.
Kinder.
Ay, kabig na. Sige, what is your name lang? Sige, kabaw na ka mo, right? Sige, right. Ano yan?
Hello, write your name, Kitty.
Write your name dali. Asa? Dali lang.
Diha, Kitty.
Sige. Lawi, kabig na.
Say that, Kitty. August 24, 2017.
Sige. Okay, mag-read ka mga letters ha. Ingat ko. Kailangan ilang ka sa letters ha. Kung dili klaro, ingat lang ko ha. Sige. Read the letters. Kani, yung something nga letter. Very good.
C B X
Very good.
Yay!
Perfect. Sige, good job. Wala na, klaro na tanan. Oh. Tanaw lang ha. Yan lang po yung eyes. Sige, good job. That's okay.
Choose, hindi you choose.
Looks ka frame na.
Kani mo pilian?
What color?
Ano sa maigo?
Oh, Kitty, choose any frame you like.
Sabi mo.
What do you like?
Color. What color do you like?
What's your favorite color lang?
What's your favorite color, Kitty? Red, yellow, green. Choose. Uy, Kitty.
Tawa siya, Ari.
Here, Kitty boy.
Kitty.
How about this one? Ka-cute. How about this one? Puro manik mo, 1 year old rin.
Ano siya, oy? Which one? Black? Black or this one?
White, Kitty, white.
Kana daw iya.
Ah,
Black daw iya.
YL sa Z-E-N-O. Saan naman kami? Year of
First, grade 7 na siya, grade 7.
Sako lang pa ito mga first time ano mo lang ako. Ay lang hindi lang. Straight na ko ha. Tanaw ito yung mga lang. Anak, isang ko lang lang. Anak, very good. Sige, tanaw ito sa eyes.
Hindi, no.
Okay, dirita pika.
Don't move around, don't. Hindi.
Okay, very good. Dirita na. Very good, perfect.
4.
Sige, hindi na out mata. Sige, kag cellphone na. Ayan. Gamitan din ha, para dili madaot ang mata. Sige,
Hindi, ano na yung sandig nun?
ha, tanaw na, suktun na na yung mata na. Kita na lang na kayo, kita na hayang niya, tanaw na. Okay, very good.
Si Rhea na. Rhea. Pili o frame nun. Lagi. Ganahan mo na color. Pili. It's still being made. Sabangin siya labi. Frame. What's your favorite color? Red? Black yung gusto? Sige ka na. I-try. Okay. Try. Labi pa, try niya lang. Oh, pulamin din yun. Kana cool ay, cool siya. Oh, kana cool. Ganahan ka? Kabangin lab. Ayaw pala bii og biraha para di mabali. Wow, check the mirror. Mirror. Wow. You like it? Hey, look at me.
You like pink? Eh, kakyot ay ganahan.
Wow. Guys, nangabot mga artista. Ranel of Runmate. Michelle of Runmate. Ilang anak. And then MJ. Ilang anak. Kali. Nagkaanak na si MJ. MJ and DM. DMJ Vlogs. Elizabeth Veloso. Ang kinakusgan sa kalam. And then ang anak. Torang anak ni Elizabeth. Kung sige nga Rhea. Hi Rhea. Kung sige ito yung page day? Rhea Laika Veloso. Okay. Si Katuslog Kidrak. Naghilong-hilong. Kiddy Doodles already has an eyeglass. Yay! Hi guys! So we're here at DNK Optical right now, which is in front of AAC Adventist Academy of Cebu.
Or formerly known as It Design Academy.
Okay, alright.
Mas
So,
nailado siya gibili.
naa siya sa Talisay, and if you're looking for affordable eyewear para sa inyong kids, they're currently on summer sale right now. So, inyong bata na mga hilig o gadgets, mga bata ninyo na kanang di kayo kaklaro sa blackboard. So, here we have Kiddy already done with his test. Eye test. He already has chosen his frame. So guys, anhi lang mo sa DNK Optical para naanay eyeglasses in yung kids. Are you done? Are you done? What's your name? It is Margrette siya. And then Rhea is already done with her test. So we're waiting for their eyeglasses to be finished. Thank you so much, Doc. Doc Dayan and Sir Carlo. So si Doc Dayan ang nag-handle sa eye test o si Sir Carlo ang Singan? Then siya ga-trim siya sa katong glass para ma-fit sa frame. Alright. Optician ang pangan. Di kay kuswito, sorry. So we'd like to thank MJ of the MJ Vlogs for introducing us to our client today, for providing eyeglasses to some of the BYC vloggers. So we'd like to thank also Dr. Dayan for having BYC over. Busy pa siya ron. So please do support DNK Optical here in Talisay. Makita na siya in front of Adventist Academy Cebu. Bye guys, thank you for your support.